Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Civil Engineering Education. In the previous video we learned about brickwork calculation, and in this video we are going to see the calculation for plastering. So let us take one wall and we will do the calculation for plastering. So let us see how to calculate. So first of all, let us see the dimensions of our plastering area. So the length taken is 10 meters and height of the wall is taken as 3 meters. Now we will see the wall plastering thickness. So plastering thickness, let us take it as 12 mm. It is also written as 0.012 meter. So this is the wall thickness which we are going to do the calculation for. So first of all, we will find out the plastering volume. So volume of plastering. To find out the volume of plastering, what we have to do? We have to multiply length and height of the wall first. Then we need to multiply with this wall thickness. So here 10 into 3 into 0.012 meter. So this will be our volume of plastering. So how much we will get? So 30 into 0.012. So 0.36 meter cube. So this is the volume of plastering for this particular wall. Now let us see how to calculate the extra. So here we need to increase 20% of this volume for filling joints and also leveling uneven surfaces. So for this purpose we will increase 20%. So 0.36 into, so directly I am doing 1.20. As I am increasing 20%, directly I can do 1.20. 0.26 into 1.2. How much we will get? 0.432 meter cube. So this is the volume after increasing 20% for filling joints and leveling the uneven surfaces. So now let us see, for calculation of material like cement and fine aggregate, we should convert this volume into dry. So after converting this into dry volume, then only we need to go for calculation. So here what we have to do? We have to increase 33%. So we need to increase 33% for dry volume. So here 0.432 into, directly I am writing 1.33. So 0.432 into 1.33. 33% I have increased. 0.57456 meter cube. So this is the volume which we need to take in our calculation. We should not take this volume and this volume. So this is wet volume and this is dry volume. So we should be careful in this calculation. This is wet volume and this is dry volume. We should take only dry volume in our calculation. So first of all we will see calculation of cement. So in calculation of cement, what we have to do? So first of all I will write dry quantity divided by, here we should know the mix proportion. What is the mix we are using? So here let us take 1:4. This is our mix proportion. Let us take 1:4. So here what will happen? We need to add 1 and 4. This is our mix proportion. So as the cement is occupying 1 unit and fine aggregate is occupying 4 units, so here simply we can multiply with 1 or else it is no problem. So 0.57456 divided by 5. So here we are getting 0.114912 meter cube. So this is the volume which is occupied in this dry volume of cement mortar. So here, to convert this into cement bags, what we have to do? We have to simply multiply this with 28.8. So here 0.114912 into 28.8. So how many bags we will get? Into 28.8. So here I am getting 3.30 numbers. So these are the number of cement bags which we are going to use for this dry volume of plastering. So this is how we calculate cement. Next one is fine aggregate. So in case of fine aggregate, same we will take this one. So we will get this value. So 0.57456 divided by 1 plus 4. Here in case of fine aggregate, we need to multiply with 4 because cement is occupying 1 unit and fine aggregate is occupying 4 units. So multiplied by 4. So how much we are going to get? 0.114912 into 4 units. So here 0.459648 meter cube. So this is the volume which is occupied in this dry volume. If we add this one and this one, again we need to get this volume. So here what we have to do? Fine aggregate will calculate in cubic feet or in tons. So simply we will multiply this with 35.314. So 16.23200 CFT. So this I got in cubic feet and this I got in cubic meter. Now to convert this into tons, so here what we have to do? We have to multiply this with density. 0.459648 into, so 1600. So this is the density of fine sand. So how much we will get? 0.459648 into 1600. So I am getting 735.43 kg. So this is my solution in kg. To convert this into tons, simple. So 0.7354 ton. So this is the solution in tons. So this is how we calculate the quantities required for plastering of 10 meter by 3 meter wall for 0.012 meter thickness of plastering. So it is very simple. We have to first of all calculate the volume of plastering. So I got 0.36. Next I need to increase 20%. This calculation is to fill the joints and also leveling the uneven surfaces. So I got here 0.432 meter cube. This is wet volume. So we are not going to calculate the materials for wet volume. We need to convert this into dry volume. To convert this, I have multiplied with 1.33. So I got 0.57456 meter cube. This is dry volume which I need to use for calculation. Similarly, so dry volume divided by addition of mixed proportion into 1 unit. I got this much volume. If I multiply with 28.8, we will get number of bags. So similarly for fine aggregate also same procedure, but here we are going to multiply with 4 because the fine aggregate is occupying 4 units. So here same I got, this I converted in cubic feet, and to get the weight, what we have to do, we have to multiply this cubic meter with density, so that we will get 735 kgs. To convert this into tons, simple, we have to move this to 3 digits, so I got 0.7354 tons. So this is the solution how we will calculate